Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll explain how to program your Fios TV remote so it can control your TV's power and volume. First, make sure your TV is turned on and your Fios set-top box is connected. Point your remote at the TV. Then press and hold the OK and Fios TV buttons together until the red light at the top of the remote blinks twice and stays on. Next, press and hold the play and pause button. Keep holding it while the remote automatically searches for the right code. When your TV turns off, release the button immediately. This means the remote has found the correct code. To test it, press the TV power button, and if your TV turns back on, the setup is complete. If not, repeat the process until it works. For newer voice remotes, you can also go to your Fios TV on-screen menu. Just press Menu, Customer Support, tap Support Tools, then Program Remote and follow the prompts. And that's how you quickly program your Fios remote to control your TV. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.